To answer a call, press the handset key to activate the communication with the entrance panel.
Hi, good
Press the
morning.
handset key again to end the call.
Of course, come up.
Press the door lock button to open the gate. During the call, double-tap the screen to change the orientation. Horizontal or vertical. The face detection function allows subjects to be automatically centered on the screen. Opening the door using the appropriate key. Activate the entrance panel and cycle through cameras if others have been installed in the system. Activate the video internal unit answering machine through the home page key. You can record a welcome message to be played at the entrance panel when the answering machine is enabled. Hello, I'm not able to answer the call at the moment. Please leave a message after the tone. The home page of the video internal unit displays any missed calls. Scroll down to view the history and missed video calls.
Hi, it's Isabel. I'll be back in an hour. See you later.
Scroll up to enable and edit favorites. There are several options in the suggestion area: device messages, system information, and configuration wizard.